Like mukbang, you know? You never see food before?
No, they're doing mukbang.
That's what my friend. Very nice.
Yes. I will say this is Gangway style mukbang.
Yes.
Okay. See, these are my friends here, and they're very good, and they're gonna be showing you Gangway style mukbang.
Yes.
Yeah,
What do you want? Chicken? What kind?
yeah, chicken. You can say whatever you see. What's the inside?
What kind? Chicken? No, chicken. That's food. It's special food.
Yeah. It's good, huh? Hey, my friend, you need to drink water, huh? Yeah, don't forget to drink water. Good? Special food? Oh, that's pizza. Everyone, I would like to welcome you here in the special edition of our video, which is the Gangway style mukbang. And we got a good friend here, which our Gangway watch, and yeah, they really into it. They're very nice, and they like the food. And my colleague on the right side, if he can consume immediately the food, he can have the food of his colleague. Hey, my man, you need to eat. You need to eat fast, or else you will consume as well, huh?
Good, my friend.
Tastes good? Wow.
Yeah. The left one is good.
The chicken is good. The pizza is good. French fries is good.
All thing, my friend.
Everything, huh? Okay, I will tell the chief steward, the cook, that you really like the food. Okay. Okay, chief cook number 1. I'll tell them. I'll tell them.
Yes.
Very good.
Good, my friend.
Okay.
Yum, yum. Good. I like too much pizza. And chicken. Number one.
Yes, you can say that. I'm going to record this. I'm going to show it to them, and probably I'll put this on YouTube. Fine with you?
It's fine, no problem.
Okay, okay. You can say to all your friends in the Philippines.
Yes. My friend, look, the food is good. Filipino, good. I enjoy.
Okay, okay,
My friend is very happy.
okay.
Hasta
Hasta la vista. Okay. All right.
Good. Now water.
Then water.
Yeah. Yes, I'm weak. I win.
So you won. So probably you can help your friend, huh?
Mama wants to go get them food. I have too much appetite. You want more food? Bring, no problem.
Okay, but probably I'll see. Let's see what we can do, huh?
Alright, everything I want.
Okay.
Yes.
And my colleague here is really taking time because he likes the pizza, and he's really love it.
Yes. Get it.
Oh, so you got energy now, huh?
Yes, too much energy, too much.
Oh, full of energy.
Yes.
Right.
Before I'm hungry like lion.
Aha.
Yes, but now good.
So you're energized
Yes,
and
energy, too much energy, my friend.
good to go, huh?
Yes. That's why I push up like that. Push up like this. Yes.
So you go in boxing as well, or?
Yes.
So who do you like boxing?
I don't. That's a chicken. No problem. Nice. Right?
So I mean you play boxing?
Yeah, boxing. Yeah, like Pacquiao.
Ah, you see?
Yeah, Mozambique Pacquiao, it's me.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Ah, okay. Then you can say to our Filipino boxer in the Philippines.
Yeah.
You can say whatever you want to say to Pacquiao.
Yeah.
We can record it here.
I challenge Pacquiao now.
No. Okay.
I need some boxing. Yeah. I challenge and me, I'm strong.
But you idol Pacquiao, huh?
Yes.
You like Pacquiao,
I
huh?
like Pacquiao.
Okay, yeah, me
And
too.
Filipino, if you want boxing and me, no problem. I challenge now.
Okay.
Yes, thanks, my
Because you're already good because you've eaten food now,
Yes,
huh?
I did. I finished.
So you're energized.
People now will looking very fast. And
Okay.
Yeah. Eat fast, box fast.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
No problem. Oh, I want more order. That's my order. Yes. Yeah.
Because a while ago I saw you very silent. It's like you're very weak and now you're energized, huh?
If no food,
More energy.
too much energy.
Alright, alright. And my friend here on the other side is really taking time. He enjoys the food. He loves the food.
Yeah.
I think he's taking slowly, slowly, slowly.
Nice.
Yeah. Alright.
Good. Oh, soft butter. And I don't know, it's good.
Okay, okay. So you want to endorse now? You want to endorse the water as well? Alright.
Wakanda forever.
Aha, okay, okay. Okay, okay guys.
Bye-bye,
That's the gangway style mukbang that we have here, and yeah, we love those friends here in the gangway. Yeah, they are energized, and yeah, whatever we can do, we just have to help these guys, and yeah, they help us too. So we requested that if we can spare some food for them, anything we can give to them, we just share. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you, Lord.
Thanks for support, my friend.
Thank you,
God
thank
bless
you.
you.
Okay, have a nice day too, brother. Thank you.